Okay, I'm doing this video just to show you guys how to fold our radial patterns. So you fold it horizontally once. Then you're going to fold it again, so you keep it folded horizontal. And now you're folding it again. So you should end up with a small rectangle. I drew a dotted line across my paper from corner to corner so that I can remember where I have to fold it. I need to fold it on that line. Remember, we're not lining up our corners, so right there you can see that my corners are going to different spots, but I'm folding diagonally across that. Then when you open up your paper, if you did it correctly, you should have 8 triangles inside. Okay? Really quick, it is very important to pay attention to this part. Some of you folded it the opposite way. On your top left corner, you should have all those free pages, like how I'm flipping in between them right here. And on your bottom right corner, you're going to have them all together. That's how you know that's the middle of your page where you need all of those folds to show up. Otherwise, your box folds inside out.